Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deposit money with a credit card in eToro in 2026. And if you prefer using a credit card, eToro also supports this method or fast deposits. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to deposit money with a credit card in eToro step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. Now, the first step you want to do is to sign into your account. Now, whether you're using your mobile device or your computer, you're gonna go to your web browser and search for eToro website. You're gonna enter the eToro.com website and make sure you click on login to log in with your account's credentials. Once logged into your account, you're gonna make sure your account is validated, just like this. You're gonna make sure to verify your account and validate it. On the home page, you're gonna see an option to verify the app. As you can see here, you're gonna click on verify your account and you're gonna enter your informations. And after that, you're gonna provide some legal documents to confirm the authenticity of your account. Then you're gonna go to the deposits once and you're gonna click on the deposits. As you can see here, you're gonna enter the amount you want to add. After that, as you can see here, we're gonna choose the credit card. Now we're gonna choose a credit card. You're gonna select a credit card and enter your card information. As you can see, your card number, your card expiry date, your CVV code, and the name of the card. And after that, you're gonna click on deposit. And your eToro account should be credited with the funds within minutes. If your deposit is not approved for any reasons, you will be notified via email. Now, some banks may require extra authentication, so make sure to do that and complete the verification. And also, you may receive a one-time password and a bank confirmation request. So approve the transaction to complete the deposit. Now, credit card deposits in eToro are typically instant, making them a great option for quick funding. So always check for possible bank fees or international transaction charges. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.